Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Basic Computer Learning. Today we are going to make certificate in MS Word. So let's start the class. First, Window plus R for WinWord. Okay, here's your MS Word. Go to the More Templates, then search Certificates. Then select what you want to edit. Okay, see, mix create. Okay, then enter your name, your project name, okay, course of date, signature, and company logo. Okay, please watch the full video and then you understand how to make the certificate in MS Word. Okay. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching and please like subscribe my channel.